Hi, this is Johan Valdelius from TESTPOWER. Let's say you want to stream data from your power analyzer. So, for that, the WT5000 is equipped with an option called data streaming. This can be streamed directly from the power analyzer into your PC with up to 2 megasamples of data, and you can get up to 7 current, 7 voltages, and the speed and torque signals from dual motors. And at the same time you can also do the precision measurements, which is actually one of the key features of the WT5000. But together with the streaming you can get a little bit of everything, plus you can also stream and measure at the same time. For the streaming you can either do it in your own software to get the raw data out, or you can use one of YOKOGAWA's software. There is an YS8000 software. It is YOKOGAWA's latest software. It can do a lot of things and also streaming. There is also the WT Viewer E, which is a little bit more budget friendly software. On the other hand, that can only stream if you have a 1 second update rate set in your power analyzer. As soon as you go lower or quicker, it won't work, so it needs to be on 1 second. I will mostly show the YS8000 software. So I will show first the setup. I'm sitting on my bench in my office. On the other table over there, there is the WT5000, and on top there is an arbitrary waveform generator, just outputting 2 signals, 1 square and 1 sinus. Not too much thought behind that, it's just to get some signals in. And we are connected on the network. So my PC I'm working on is connected to the WT5000. Okay. I will go ahead and share my screen. This is the YS8000. There are different tabs here. Either if you go to actually DAC or DAC WT, you can still get the raw data out from the WT5000. The remote control is like sitting in front of the unit. You can do all settings like you're sitting in front of the instrument. But I will use the DAC WT, and we are Ethernet. There is a search function here if you don't remember your IP address, and then we open it. I will maximize this, and this is a little bit too much. Here we have RMS. Some signals we can do 8, so we get a little bit different. And if I put monitor start here, all the values here will start showing. Down here is the voltage and the current. This is peak-to-peak compressed, so if you don't have the data streaming option in your power analyzer, you can still do this, but it is only sampling at the moment with 2 kilosamples. So if we stop recording, we will automatically get a file. Open it up. We can go for view 2 here and zoom in. You will see this is quite distorted. This is not what the signal looks like, so it's undersampling. So we need to sample faster. I turn off this tab. I'm not sure if you really see my mouse pointer. It might be quite small, but anyway. There are different tabs opening up here in the middle of this, or in the top middle of the screen. Stop monitoring, and we see down here data streaming is off. We can turn that on, and like I said, 2 megasamples is the maximum. We can, why not go to maximum? we can do monitor start to look at the measurements, and we can do record start. And here we see it's, you not see when I'm pointing on the screen, but it's 2 mega samples per second at the moment, but we're not recording. This is just live monitoring. So we start recording, and we can do a few seconds. We can stop the recording. This is as easy as it is. And we can put in view 1, which is actually a zoom here, just to show that now we have actually pretty much the signal how it comes from the arbitrary waveform generator. And there is a modulation on the green signal, the current. So this was pretty much what I wanted to show, and it's quite the same on just the streaming part on the other software. This is the IS8000 is easier to use, I would say, and there is more capabilities. So with that said, I have a final screen to show. So from myself and YOKOGAWA TESTPOWER, thank you very much for looking. If you have any questions, want to try the power analyzer, the software, get some help on how to set up the measurements, please just let us know. Thank you. Bye bye.